In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the font size on KineMaster app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now I have here a text and it appears to be too big. So if you want to make your text smaller or big, it is pretty simple. Just go ahead and tap on text timeline here and you can see it has highlighted your text. To change the size of this font, you can simply resize it here using these arrows. So if you move it inward, it will go ahead and reduce the font size. And if you drag it outside, it will go ahead and increase the font size. So drag in and out until you attain the perfect size you want. So that's how you can change your font size in KineMaster app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.